Got a 2006 Honda CBR. I changed the starter and I changed the battery. Brand new starter, brand new battery. And this is what what I'm still getting out the bike. This is what I'm getting. It cranked up this time, but it usually don't crank. It usually just act like it try to spin. That's how it usually be. I don't know what made it just crank for the first time in about 2 weeks. But, so if anybody got anything they can help me with, please let me know. Thank you very much. Not nothing.